Welcome to you all.
Today we are going to discuss about assessment of firm. The persons who have agreed to do business together are personally called partners and collectively called a firm. They are abiding by a deed called partnership deed. A partnership deed for partnership is same as articles of association, trust deed for companies, and trust respectively. Claiming deduction of interest paid payable to partners. The rate of interest should not exceed a 12 percentage per annum for the partners. This is a very essential thing. We should know about this. Rate of interest to the partners should not exceed a 12 percentage per annum. And rates of income tax for partnership firm. For partnership firm, flat rate 30 percentage. Tax at flat rate 30 percentage. Long-term capital gain, you already know about this, that is 20 percentage. Short-term capital gain, 15 percentage. Education cess and secondary and higher education cess, totally 3 percentage. Okay, so partnership firm, flat rate tax 30 percentage. For this, with simple problem, okay. For financial year 2020 to 21, the profit and loss account of Messrs. XYZ Enterprises shows net profit of rupees 1 lakh after booking the salary to partners for rupees 5 lakhs. The firm also paid interest in excess of 12% rupees 50,000. So I already told you the interest on capital allowed to partners are only 12%, up to 12%. If they have given excess of 12% means they have to be add this 50,000. They are here mentioned here and calculate net taxable income of firm.
Taxable income of the firm and tax liability of the firm. There are three steps. First step, find out the book profit of the firm.
Profit. And second step, calculation of remuneration allowed to partners. And third step, taxable income of the partnership firm. Okay, so the first step is find out the book profit of the firm. How to find out the book profit of the firm? Very simple. First, you have to be taken net profit of firm given in the profit. What is the net profit they have mentioned here? 1 lakh. So taken the 1 lakh here and add remuneration to partners. Remuneration already they are given here, that is after booking the salary to partners for rupees 5 lakhs. So taken this is the remuneration 5 lakh. And interest on capital paid in excess of 12%. Suppose they mention here the interest on capital 8% or 10% means no need to take this. That is below 12% means no need to add here. More than 12% means you have to be add here. Interest on capital paid in excess of 12%, they are mentioning here 50,000. So add this amount. Now the total book profit is 6,50,000. Okay, is it clear? So how to calculate the book profit means net profit, add remuneration to partners, and third one is interest on capital excess of 12%. The total is called the book profit. And next step, calculation of remuneration allowed to partners. So remuneration allowed on partners, how to calculate the remuneration allowed to partners means, they have given this some rules. What are the rules means? See, for first 3 lakh of book profit like first 3 lakhs. For first 3 lakh of book profit equal to remuneration equal to 1 lakh 50,000 or 3 lakh into 90 percentage, whichever is higher. Okay, so first 3 lakhs can be calculated பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா 1 lakh 50,000 or 3 lakhs into 90 percentage. 3 lakhs into 90 percentage, 2 lakh 70,000, whichever is higher. So the higher amount is here 2 lakh 70,000. So we are taken here 2 lakh 70,000. This is the rule. This is applicable to all the sums. Okay, to calculate the remuneration allowed to partners, first 3 lakhs. For first 3 lakhs, we have to be calculate 1 lakh 50,000 or 3 lakh into 90 percentage, whichever is higher. We are taken here 2 lakh 70,000. And the balance amount, remuneration allowed on balance. What is the balance here? See, total book profit we are calculated 6 lakh 50,000. So in the 6 lakh 50,000, we are calculated first 3 lakhs. Okay, so 6 lakhs 50,000 minus 3 lakhs means the balance is 3 lakh 50,000. So in the 3 lakh 50,000 remuneration எப்படி கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா the balance amount into 60 percentage. That is 3,50,000 into 60%. The total is 2,10,000. Now, total remuneration allowed 4,80,000. This is the rules to calculate remuneration allowed to partners. Okay, so remuneration allowed on partners, how to calculate means for first 3 lakhs equal to 1,50,000 or 90% of 3 lakhs, whichever is higher, and the balance amount 60% of balance amount. Now the total is called total remuneration allowed. Okay, the second step is over. And the third step, calculation of taxable income of partnership firm. First, you have to be taken book profit of the firm. We are calculated already. That is 6,50,000. Okay, book profit we already calculated 6,50,000. Taken the amount and less remuneration allowed to partners. We are already calculated remuneration allowed to partners 4,80,000. So 6,50,000 minus 4,80,000. The net taxable income of the firm is 1,70,000. This is the taxable income of the firm. Okay. So we calculate the taxable income of the partnership firm. Next step, how we calculate the tax liability of the firm. This is also so simple. Taken total taxable income 1,70,000. Tax liability 30%. Firm tax liability 30%. So 1,70,000 into 30% is 51,000. Cess, education cess and SHEC totally 3%. So 51,000 to 3% is 1,530. Now the total tax liability of the firm is 52,530. Okay, was it clear? Okay, thank you.